another thing I'm gonna throw away this stupid compass. I don't even need. I really don't. How there it becomes. That's the pretty broke, I guess. Taking care of my phone, so. Yeah, that's so hilarious. Yeah, that really is. Not. He thinks I'm stupid. I don't know why he thinks like that. It's totally not normal. Not normal at all. This other client, oh, how he slams the doors. It's like, dude, you don't, you don't need to be slamming doors down. And okay. Ow! That's heavy. But for one. Oh boy, yeah, it's so funny. Haha. Please. Oh, please.
Dow Jones Industrials are down 258 points, the Nasdaq down 212, and the S&P 500 is down 47. I'm Jeff Bellinger, Bloomberg Business for KCBS.
Are you fed up with your old-fashioned water softener and its time-consuming upkeep? Are you tired of buying bottled water because your tap water is undrinkable? A LifeSource whole house water system is your solution. This is Claire Beverly, and I want to tell you about LifeSource, the Bay Area's most recommended whole house water system. LifeSource reduces hard water problems like water softeners, but with LifeSource you get more. Unlike water with softeners, you can drink the water from all your faucets. No need to buy expensive bottled water. The bad taste and harsh feel of chemicals like chlorine and chloramines are eliminated. With LifeSource, there are no filters to change and no salt to add. They install it, you forget it. Consultation to replace your softener with a LifeSource water system. Call 888-712-4279 or visit lifesourcewater.com. That's 888-712-4279. LifeSource Water. Taste and feel the difference.
If you have ever thought about remodeling your bathroom but were worried it would take too long or cost too much, then stop worrying. Right now, Jacuzzi Bath Remodel has designed a collection of high-quality custom products and perfected the one-day remodeling experience so you can enjoy your new bathroom faster than ever before. It's a worry-free bath remodel from the most trusted brand name in the business, Jacuzzi. For a virtual or in-home appointment, call 800-826-9895. That's 800-826-9895. 800-826-9895.
Staples has everything for school at great prices. So this year you won't go back to school. You'll be ready to move forward with all your school printing from Staples.
Okay, class, refer to the field card for your desk assignment. Class?
But we can't read yet.
Don't worry, they'll get there. Now get 30% off school-related prints when you spend $25 or more. This year, go forward to school with Staples. In-store only, exclusions apply. One coupon per customer, end date 27. Visit staples.com/school printing for coupon and requirements.
The PGA Tour is back in Napa Valley with the Fortinet Championship, where fans experience every kind of cheers. Join us September 15th through the 18th at Silverado Resort and Spa for 4 days of world-class golf, Napa hospitality, and 2 nights of unforgettable performances featuring multi-platinum superstar Cole Swindell and Grammy-nominated powerhouse One Republic, all included with your daily ticket. Join Fortinet, Silicon Valley's leader in cybersecurity, at the Fortinet Championship. Secure your tickets now at FortinetChampionship.com.
KCBS News Time 6:58. Let's head back over to your local Honda dealer's traffic center. Get an update on the drive this morning. Early, if you're coming from the East Bay and you're taking Highway 80, you could have some issues. Oh, you definitely do. This is the backup now starting at Cutting Boulevard on westbound 80. You're in stop-and-go traffic by the time you're into El
Rito, and this continues all the way down to the MacArthur interchange. Unfortunately, this was a deadly crash where a car hit a pedestrian. This was right on the carpool lane flyover that takes you to the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza. That carpool lane is closed while the coroner is on scene now, beginning the investigation into the crash. So think about San Pablo Avenue. It's getting a little more crowded, but it actually makes a pretty decent 580, your 580 or 880 approach to the Bay Bridge looks fine, but Interstate 80, this is at an absolute crawl with that flyover closed down. That's the carpool. In the meantime, there also was a stall in that backup around Gilman. They managed to clear that out of lanes, but that certainly is adding to the slow traffic here. Looks like they've cleared Highway 84 just on the eastbound side of Sunol, east of 680. There had been a vehicle that was blocking up the roadway. We still have big backups on both sides, especially inbound 84 coming down. Your next update, 7:08 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Sunny today. After the morning overcast, of course. Highs from the 60s coastside to the 70s and 80s around the bay to the upper 90s inland. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on KCBS.
It is Friday, August 29th, 2022, coming up on KCBS.
This is Matt Bigler in Oakland. Why Governor Newsom is threatening to pull funding for cleanup efforts of the city's largest homeless encampment.
3 people are dead following a mid-air collision between planes trying to land in Watsonville's airport.
And the Justice Department has 6 days to release a redacted version of the affidavit that led to the search of former President Trump's Florida estate. CBS News is next.
When you need to know, KCBS AM, KFRC FM, and HD1, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, and Odyssey Station.
It's 7 o'clock.
The Trump affidavit.
We're not going to see the core of what we're all very interested in.
Monkeypox vaccinations.
We are having to scrounge just to provide as many shots as we can.
Battle for rentals.
I never have expected that there would be a bidding war.
Good morning. I'm Steve Chafin with the CBS World News Roundup. A judge says some of the affidavit linked to the FBI search of former President Trump's Florida estate will be released. A redacted version will give the Justice Department information sensitive to its investigation. CBS.
That today.